Okay, today we're going to talk about this, the wireless fish finder. This is the model. Okay, now I've already unpacked the box. I don't know why people do videos of showing you they're unpacking the box and what's in it. You know what's in the box because you've got the box in your hand. These are the two main units. You've got your sonar and you've got your handheld unit with your screen. Now I'll explain to you how to use them. It's very simple. You can't use this unless the sonar is in the water. Don't put it in a bowl of water, it's not going to work. One of the things that I found that people are asking is, how do you know if it's charged up? Well, it's quite simple. At the back of your screen holder, you have a small jack. As soon as you plug it in, a light will come on. Now, once that is fully charged, the light goes off. Simple as that. I'll leave that uncharged for a while. And the same for your sonar, your floating sonar. These contacts here will only put the sonar in circuit once they touch water. So you can't really put this on the table and say, oh look, it's going to work. No, because it's not going to work. This has to be in the water. All you got to do is open it up. Inside here I've marked the buttons. One I've marked as L and the other one I've marked as on. You get a bit confused. It's on with the lights on. See the lights flashing? These attract the fish. Now it's the same thing with your main unit, which is this one. How do you know if it's fully charged up? Well, it's quite common sense. That's on and the light's on. You see the light on there? Once it's fully charged, the light goes off. Now we're going to use the handheld unit. You follow the instructions, they're quite easy to follow. Give it a minute, there we go, and we're on. Give it a chance, here we go, and as you can see it's on wireless, on simulation mode. We're going to go on simulation mode. Okay, give it a chance and it will switch off on its own. Now there, this is just a simulation. It's not telling you there's fish there, it's just telling you how it works. See the fish coming up on the top? This is a simulation, remember, a simulation, it's not the actual thing. Here I've set it on wireless mode. Alright, you press the top button, wireless mode, enter. Now you have lots of different things. Sensitivity, set it how what you want. Set up or down. Auto depth finder. Depth upper limit, on or off. If you follow the instructions, it will tell you. Here is very good. Shallow alarm. If you're in a boat and your boat is, I don't know, 2 meters deep, the shallow alarm comes in handy. It tells you when you're going to hit the shoreline. And all you do is just arrange the settings to how you want. Up or down in meters. You can switch to feet depending what you want. See, fish icon on. Okay. Fish alarm on. Units. Sonar color. Choose the color to which you see better in the light. You might have bright sunlight and red might not be the best color. You might want to use blue. It's entirely up to you. Okay, battery alarm 3.6, and your language, which is important, choose what language you want. Okay, and brightness up and down. This is not rocket science. I mean, a 10-year-old could use this. Chart speed, this is important. Chart speed. If you're going slow on a boat, you don't want a fast chart speed, but if you're going faster, then you're going to increase the chart speed. Okay, up and down to how you want it. You actually got to be on the boat to try this. Okay, and switching it off. Boop, shut down, here we go. Now let's go and try this on the water. I am now on my boat and we're going to test this fish finder, see if it actually does work. I've got my rod set up, the screen is on, and it's showing there is fish. And the sonar is bleeping. The fish are actually biting. I'm still not sure, so I'm going to put a camera in the water. Yep, there's the fish, and my screen is still bleeping.